What's happening, everybody? Today I'm going to be diving into junk silver. So, here we have are some Kennedys. I picked up 4 Kennedys in this particular year, which is the 64s. These Kennedys has been made with 90% silver. There was a particular time to where they did start making these coins in 40% silver. So I did decide to go ahead and pick up what they call junk silver for Kennedys. And again, I do like the fact that this is 90% silver. The condition of these, I think the condition is fair. I wasn't expecting much with the condition, but I think the condition is fair. And what's interesting about why I decided to buy these is that I know that I could actually get much more than what I paid for them when I resell it on the market into individuals into the market that understands metals. So instead of me actually taking these $50 into the bank and redeeming them for 50 cents, I know that I can sell it on the market into someone or an entity, whoever. And if they understand metals, I can get much more than a $50. I've seen these currently around $11 and varying on the condition, resell as high as $30 per coin. So whether I keep them or not, I'm not sure if I will keep them or not. It is not particularly what I pick up as far as silver, but who's to say? If the price is right, I will definitely resell them since I didn't pay much for them to begin with. So that's my thoughts on junk silver. It's going to really depend on what you're actually trying to do with the silver. In my case, there is a huge potential for me to actually flip those Kennedys and let the market, determine on what's a fair price I should receive for them. And if it's profitable, of course, that is always something that I would be open to entertain. So you can do a lot with metals, and there is different types of metals out there. And depending on if you're actually trying to go with certain metals to where you want to actually take your cash position and convert it over to metals and hold some of your net worth in metals, you can do that. Utilizing metals to kind of barter with or trade and exchange, you can do that as well. Or in this circumstance where I might actually flip these Kennedys and cash flow off of it. So again, these are not my preference of metals as far as having a percentage of my portfolio allocated to metals as more of an investment type deal. But these are definitely some metals that I believe that if I happen to flip them and the flip goes well, again, if I decide to go that route, it could definitely be something worth entertaining temporarily to cash flow off of. So there you go. That's my take on junk silver. So again, for you to understand what you should do with junk silver, or should you even bother, putting any money into junk silver, it's going to really determine on what you're trying to do. Just be creative with it. Make sense of it. Make sure that everything financially aligns properly based on how you're looking, at silver, and based on how you're viewing silver when you are determining if you want to actually allocate some of your cash to any types of metals, and so forth. So with that being said, stay motivated, stay dedicated, and keep hustling.